Hi everyone, this is Ariana from Captain of the Hooks, and I am back with another left-handed tutorial. So today we're going to go over the single crochet. Let's get started. So I've started here a swatch of single crochets just to give you an idea of what a complete single crochet looks like. So here we have the raw edges and the finished edge on top. What we're going to do first is chain one. And then we are going to turn our work so that we are always working from the left to right. Here you can see the top of the stitches, and that's where we're going to insert our hook into. So in the top of the V of the previous single crochet, we are going to insert our hook, yarn over, and pull through. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through both loops. And that is your first single crochet on your new row. You're going to do the same thing, push your hook through both loops on top, yarn over, pull up a loop, and you're going to yarn over and pull through both loops. We're going to repeat this for the entire row, and I'll work pretty slowly the whole time so that you can follow along. If at any point you need to pause the video or slow down the video or rewind, please feel free to do so. This is a learning process, so take your time. Oops, it happens. All right, so again, we're going to insert a hook into both of the loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both. The thing about crochet, especially beginning, is that you just need to practice. Do it over and over and over again until you get those straight edges, until you get the right tension. It's all about practice and doing it over and over again. You'll find that the more that you practice, the easier it'll be to hold your yarn and manipulate the hook at the same time, and you'll also find what's most comfortable for you. All right, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both. All right, and here's our last single crochet. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both. And that is how you complete a row of single crochet. And to start a new row, you would simply chain one and turn your work and continue on the other side. So please let me know if this was helpful, or if you'd like to see anything else, please leave me a comment below, and I will see you next time.